took less than 24 hours for the Trump digital trading cards to completely sell out. Now, they started out at $99 and they sold out basically in a flash. 45,000 of these things sold out so quick. They are on Polygon chain. So here's some of the examples of those cards. Now, it's obvious that some of them have been flipped and they're asking more than what they initially came out for. So for example, these ones are listed at 0.35 Ethereum, and by today's prices, say the original $99 cost would have been 0.08. So we can see that this is like 5 times the price of what it was when it was $99. So this was probably closer to like $400 or something US right now versus $99. And the idea was not for these things to be financial investments, but hey, you know how NFTs go. People like to speculate and they get in early and then try to make a quick buck or 5 on it. So we'll see what happens. I just thought this was a very interesting story. I have another video about the Donald Trump cards up, and I'll put a link to it right at the end of this video. None of this is financial advice, and have yourself a great day. Bye.